boy, guys. This makes me feel powerful. I feel like the conductor of a train, the peace train. Alright. If someone can't be respected for who they think they are, regardless of who they are, how can they ever think that they could be who they want to be? It's not easy for them. They don't feel confident in who they are. They won't want to be better than who they are. They'll want to try and be someone else. And sure, that's possible, but it'll make you feel fake in the end. It'll make you feel like you're not yourself, and that's a terrible feeling. Because it's good to be yourself. It's not only that other people want you to be yourself, it's that you want to be yourself, regardless of what anything makes you think. But what makes you yourself? Who knows? You do, silly. It's not that hard. Yeah, it is. It's fucking hard as shit. Yeah, it is. It's hard. It's real hard. But the only way you can get there is if you keep trying. That's the only way. There's some loud crows. Boy, everybody loves the loud crow. Nah, nobody likes crows. They're greasy. But that grease probably helps them fly, so I doubt they mind the grease. Also, they eat a lot of our food because we leave a lot of food out, and they eat what's available. So it's partly our fault, probably, that they're greasy. Are you ready to get on the peace train yet? If I can hate crows for being greasy, then sure you can learn to love them. If I can. Honestly, pretty sure people don't like what they don't know. They're scared of the unknown, and it's hard to get over that fear because you don't know how. It's unknown, but like the only way you can get over it is by trying. You gotta learn how to try to do things you don't know, which is a sticky concept. It's not really that simple either, but it takes time. Try it with little things first. Whatever you consider little or big, even. It doesn't matter what you try first, as long as you start trying. Like, if you're in a video game and you're messing up the same part, just stop trying to do it in the way you're doing it. Do it in a different way. Go at it from a different direction. Try every possible direction. Try every combination of ideas that you have, and maybe you'll come up with a new idea. You can add that to your combination of ideas.